Mental and spiritual. This body radiates light energy and electromagnetically connects your multidimensional being with the infinite universe. It connects you with your encoded data through high electrical currents that help you translate and manifest your hidden talents and the purpose of your soul. By activating, building, and integrating your light body, you reorganize your molecular structure, allowing your body to become less dense and freer to express itself with the source of the universe. The light body, or Merkaba, is a sacred geometry that transcends space, time, and dimensions. It is an aspect of the body that activates each cell to a specific resonance and restores a higher connection with the light, creator of God. Sacred geometry aims to balance and integrate the feminine and masculine aspects of your being. The right side of the brain, or the feminine side, intuits the consciousness of unity and trusts feelings rather than intellect. The left side of the brain, or the masculine side, sees duality everywhere. It wants proof that a mind exists in everything and realizes that feelings are not enough. As the polarities are integrated, you begin to move closer to wholeness. The process of activating the light body is not linear, but it does have a general structure or pattern. This is not a measure of your spiritual success, personal. The levels are parallel stages of transmutation, which may take years or minutes to pass through, depending on the willingness of the mind. Each person has a unique sound signature, the tone that you are. The light body process activates different chords and causes the sound to resonate according to the specific levels, which an individual processes both consciously and unconsciously in their current life experience. Your soul and your divine plan determine where you are at any given moment in your evolution and what is needed to best serve Christ consciousness. Below is a brief summary of each level, as discussed by Taschira Tachiren. First level light body. It's as if a light bulb turns on within you. Adni would say, it's time to go home. There is a sense of wonder and euphoria that comes from within the body. At the same time, the body says it's time to decrease the density. Most people experience flu-like symptoms and release old traumas, toxins, and emotions stored in the physical body. Second level light body. You may feel a bit disoriented, tired, and continue to experience flu symptoms. You begin to sense that there is something called spirit in your life and that you are connected to your soul. Third level light body. Your physical senses become stronger. Each cell has an increased light focused directly on it by the mind, which promotes the understanding of higher dimensions. A two-way conversation between your physical body and your mind has begun. Fourth level light body. The chemistry and electromagnetic energy of your brain change. You may suffer from headaches, vision problems, or hearing difficulties. The hemispheres of your brain begin to emit electrical signals in both hemispheres at the same time. You may feel this electrical energy flowing through your scalp along your spine. There are flashes of clairvoyance and the sensation of being connected to all things. Fifth level light body. You begin to remember more of your dreams and become more aware of non-linear thinking. The old pattern of thinking begins to change and is released from the body. You start to wonder, who am I? Sixth level light body. Spirit puts you in contact with information and people who work with the light to help you gain a broader understanding of your own reality and how you operate in that reality. You have moments of multidimensional vision, the feeling that nothing is real, and the experience that objects are not solid. You feel compassion within yourself and for others to do whatever is necessary to help them or to help yourself. Moving on to the next stage of evolution in service to all life. 7th level light body. You enter the emotional stages of light body activation and focus on deeper levels of opening the heart center. There is a childlike playfulness from which you operate. You begin to experience the now, the energies of synchronicity and full presence in the mind. 8th level light body. Your glands, the pituitary and pineal, begin to grow and change shape. When your pineal gland grows, you may feel as if someone has their finger between your eyebrows and is pressing against it. You may feel pressure at the back of your head as the pituitary gland expands and you experience cranial expansion. You start to think in terms of geometries and tones. Your decisions begin to be guided by the mind. 9th level light body. You are more open to understanding the geometries of tonal languages. You begin to embody divinity. You may feel changes in your body, such as becoming larger or smaller. Your weight may increase or decrease. This is a powerful change in your multi-dimensional being and is the final passage to understanding and incorporating that you are the source. 10th level light body. You begin to manifest the abilities of an avatar or spiritual master. You are fully aware that you are one with the source.